welcome to another Halloween video. Today's video is a graveyard set of nails. So I'm starting off by doing a full nail with this cosgelia number 4, which is their black gel polish. And once I've done that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to do the same again on this nail. I'm only showing you doing the first coat on camera. I did the second coat off camera just to save time, but it didn't really need 2 coats, to be honest. It's quite an opaque black, especially over these natural colour tips. Now on this nail I'm using the Lilycute LC132, which is their grey, and I'm going to be doing an ombre on this nail. So I'm starting off by doing the top 2/3 in the grey, and then the bottom third I'm going to do black, which again is the cosgelia number 4. And then I'm going to get my detailer brush and I'm just going to blend them 2 colours together. You haven't got to worry too much about getting this coat perfect, because the first coat always looks really patchy, but when you come to do the second coat, that's when it'll look alright. So the middle 3 nails, I'm going to do the same thing on all 3, but I only show you doing the first coat as I did the second coat off camera. Also, with this set being a graveyard set, you don't really want it to look too perfect anyway. I think leaving some of the lines in the gel polish, it sort of leaves a misty effect. So I shall let you get on and watch me ombre these 3 nails, and then I shall pop back on when we come to the next part.
Sun is about to go down, so what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
So that's the background done for all 5 nails. Now we're getting on with the artwork. So for the moon, I've mixed some Gel Lab Arctic Freeze white gel polish, and I've mixed that with some glow in the dark pigment. This is what Aggie sent me. It's a She Modern one, and it glows a beautiful like bluey white colour. It's a gorgeous glow in the dark pigment. So I'm just doing a circle for a full moon, and then I'm going to fill that in. And once I'm happy with the shape, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm using my XKJ foil glue, and I'm just going to use that to stick this witch sequin on with. And now I'm using the mccart foil glue gel, and I'm going to do a whole nail of this, and then I shall pop it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I've tried to use this glue gel a few times, and I was really struggling with it. It just wasn't working for me at all. But recently I've changed my lamp, and since doing that, it seems to work perfectly now. So I'm really happy I've got it to work, because so many people rave about this glue gel and I could not get it to work at all. But yeah, now I've changed my lamp. Look, it works perfect. Absolutely perfect. Completely full transfer. This gravestone is a water decal from Charlie's Nail Art. So I just popped it in some water for 10 seconds, then removed it off the backing, and now I'm just going to stick that to the nail. I wanted this nail to have a tree on the left hand side, and I was going to use the foil again, but I wanted it to look different to the other nails, so I decided to just freehand some branches coming from the side. So I'm using the Model One's black gel paint and a detailer brush, and I'm just painting some wiggly lines for branches.
Giving you my hand.
Now I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm just popping on another water decal under them branches, and I'll just use my silicone tool just to make sure it's all stuck down flat. With this bat, I'm just sticking that into the mccart foil glue, what I applied earlier. Now I'm using my XKJ glue again, and I'm going to stick these bats down with that glue once it's dried. And here I'm just painting on a little cross with the Model One's black gel paint. And then once I've got that how I want it, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And again, the same on this nail. I just wanted to paint a little cross underneath that tree, and then I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm just applying those bats into that glue what I applied earlier. Here I'm using that mccart foil glue gel again, and I'm curing it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm going to apply another bat, but this is a foil bat. So I'm just going to stick that into that cured glue gel, give it a bit of a rub with the tweezers. I find something sharp helps it stick better. And then once I'm happy with that, I shall pull it off and you'll see that's a full transfer. I'm really happy I've got this to work now. And now I'm going to go over these middle 3 nails with the Neo Nails Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat. And that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now on those 2 black outer nails, I really wanted to go in with some glitter, but I couldn't decide whether I wanted to use chunky glitter or fine glitter. So what I've done is I've took the ultra fine glitter, what I've got, the black hollow. This is one that Helen sent me, and I've applied some teeny tiny black hollow hexes into it. So I'm just going to give them a mix up. Now I'm applying some Cosgelia base coat. I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And then I shall tip the glitter into that cured base coat, as it leaves a really nice tacky layer. And then once I've sugared the glitter onto the nail, I'm going to burnish it in. I wasn't really sure whether I wanted to sugar it or burnish it, but I decided in the end to burnish it. I just think it leaves a really nice effect. I really love this glitter. Look how hollow it is. It's so shiny, it's beautiful. Not just the glitter, the hexes are super hollow as well. Really, really pretty. So, as you see, I just used a brush there to burnish it in. It's just an old eyeshadow brush that I had. And then I went over it with my finger just to make sure it was all burnished in properly. And now I'm using some black Mylar, what Aggie sent me. This is really, really pretty. I've not seen anything like this before in my life. It's so pretty. So I'm just taking a few of them and I am sticking them into that sticky layer. And then once I'm happy with that, I shall do the same on the other nail. But I've done that one off camera, guys, just to save more time. I really didn't want this video to be super long. So once I got that all burnished in nicely, I'm just going over to finish the nail off with my Cosgelia non-white shiny top coat. So we're coming to the end of the video now. I really hope you like this set. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.